What's up everybody, Jazz here and welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, November the 4th. I actually started my day quite early, around 10-11, but I forgot I had my camera on me and now I'm just now pulling it out. But I went to the mall earlier today to get some things. I'll actually give y'all a haul of that when I get back in. But right now I finally made it out of the mall and I am here at IKEA. I'm mainly going in here just to look for a type of desk like thingy that I can put in my room, but I'm also just going to browse because I actually really like walking through IKEA just to walk through there. So yeah, just wanted to go ahead and open up the channel, let y'all know what's going on. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, and before I forget, if you're new here, hey, welcome. Think about subscribing to the channel and joining the family. And also, once we get to a good portion of the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, okay? See y'all in a little bit. Black Lions. So y'all, I know I said I wanted a desk, but I really meant a bookshelf, and I wanted to look like this. Like this is just $49, and I want two of them because I want them to go like right behind my vanity. This is white. I'm gonna see if they have a black one. I hope they got a black one because that's what I would prefer. Y'all, this is the actual black one I want, and it's $54. Oh boy, I'm starting to find them. These just sit in there. I might do this though, but I mean the $24 one might just actually work. Let's go back and look at that one actually. Okay y'all, so this is what I'm looking for, except it's not black, but my vanity isn't black, so I think this may actually work, and it's on clearance. So I'm about to take a picture of this so I can know where to go find it. So obviously it's been a few days and I'm actually sitting down to record this specific collective haul portion of the video again, because as I was editing the first round of videos, I noticed that it didn't have a sound to it. And when I went through my camera settings, I realized why. I actually had it on a different recording setting, which takes away the sound. So we're doing this haul all the way back over. Okay, so the very first thing I am going to show you all is what I purchased from the mall. But I only purchased things from Bath and Body Works and H&M. So we're gonna go ahead and do those first. Okay, so Bath and Body Works was having a sale on their wallflowers. They were $2.75 a piece. Yeah, they're on sale for $2.75 when they're originally like $7.50 each. And of course I had to rack up on them. Now what I did was picked out the scents that I liked, and I got 3 of each of those scents. First scent that I purchased was Sun Drenched Linen. The next one is Mahogany Teakwood, and let me see if there's another one in here. And I also got Laundry Day. The other scents that I purchased was In the Stars, and I also purchased Into the Night. I don't know if that's a newer scent or not, but it's my first time purchasing it. What else did I get from Bath and Body Works? The scent Leather and Brandy. It is actually from the White Barn collection. The keynotes in this is warm leather, amber woods, aged brandy, and other natural essential oils. Hey, that's all I got from Bath and Body Works. Okay, y'all, so the next place I went to was H&M, and as y'all can see, it's a big bag and it's heavy. I know I hear a lot of mixed reviews about H&M every now and then, but from my viewpoint, I've always loved H&M. My specific H&M carries a more, I guess, a larger collection of the plus size clothing, unlike most of the other H&Ms that I've been into before. So I decided to go in there and see what's going on. And of course, I'm very happy I went because I caught all of these items that I'm about to show y'all on sale. So y'all, since I already recorded this before, a lot of the videos of me trying the clothes on are already recorded, so I'm just going to put it up somewhere for y'all to see. The first item that I purchased was like this tweed, this white creamish tweed dress. So this is a tweed dress, and I think it was the highest item. It was originally $64, but I got it for $30, and I got it in a size extra large. It's the detail that really caught my attention. Like, look at the tweed, and then on the arms and on the bottom of the dress they have like the little frill, and then on the pockets we have these little buttons, which is really cute to me. So yeah, we got this item. Now the next dress that I purchased is like this would this be considered olive green or kind of like a grayish green? It was only $16, but it has like this little belt buckle, so like it can actually come apart like this, and then just hook it. And then the front of the belt isn't stretchy, but it has like a piece of elastic at the back of the belt so it can stretch. Now the thing about this dress is it's actually a little too big, and this is an extra large. So yeah, it's just a little too big, but nothing that my grandma can't fix for me. So next thing I got is like these standard, I guess, fitted or jegging style skinny legged pants. They're only $10, and I really like these because at the end by the ankle they have a zip, so it can be regular like this, or I can unzip it and, you know, turn it into this. Now this item right here isn't necessarily for work or church attire. This is just a cute black crop top that I saw. You can actually wear it 2 ways. You can wear it with it being on the shoulders like this, or you can wear it off the shoulders. So, you know, I can get different styles. And then it has the ruching on the arm. It starts at the shoulder and it goes all the way down. Got a basic black little flary dress. It actually has a little tie belt that you will tie in the front. I actually have like a creamish grayish dress exactly like this, and I really like it. And of course, like, it buttons in the front. So just your standard dress that you can wear under a jean jacket. Now we're getting into what I really went into H&M for, and I'm so happy about this particular set because every item was on sale. So the first pair to the set are the slim slacks, and it says regular waist, I guess because like I guess it doesn't stretch or something. But anyway, they were like originally $29 and I got them for $10. So like they're just some standard trousers. So these are the ones that go all the way down. Nothing too fancy about them. Y'all know what trousers look like. So the next pair of pants that I can put with the blazer are like these pixie cut pants. So like these are the type of pants that stop a little above the ankle. Like there's some pixie cut pants. Y'all know what pixie cut pants look like. But yeah, I found these. They were originally $29 and I got them for $12. So it doesn't have the belt loops in them. Neither does the other pants. They don't have the belt loops in them, but they do have like the regular zip, the inside button, and then like this little latch thing. So they actually fit comfortable. And the blazer that I got, this is the blazer. So it has the standard one button, and then it has two pockets. I don't think these are real pockets. Let me see if they can turn into real pockets. No, so these are fake pockets, but that doesn't matter. I got pockets on the pants. And for this to be an extra large jacket, it fits a little loose. This is why I like H&M. Like H&M to me produces a lot of quality things. Like I hear everybody saying every now and then that their stuff isn't giving good quality. I don't know what y'all looking at or what y'all looking for, but to me, I've had things from H&M that has lasted me for years. And the quality to me, this quality is just like the suit quality I was about to get out of dealers. The very last thing that I purchased from H&M are some gray trousers or slacks, whatever you want to call them. They're from the collection The Divided. I got these trousers because I see one of my favorite YouTubers, Naturally Sunny. I see that she kind of does like that dressy casual comfort type of wear. I forgot what she specifically called it, but that's what I'm getting from it. It's like she'll throw on some comfortable trousers with a cute little top or a bodysuit and like some sneakers. Like that's the vibe I want to get. Like, yes, Sunny, I'm about to steal your style. So credit goes to her for doing this. But yeah, I got some gray trousers, and I think in the video I'm gonna post showing y'all these. I think I have like the whole outfit on, like the trousers, the shirt, and some sneakers. So y'all, I started this video off as a vlog because my whole purpose was to go to IKEA and search for like some bookcases that I can like put in my makeup / filming area. And of course I had to walk through the whole store. So I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up from IKEA. The first thing I saw when I got there was actually these candles. And also, since it started off as a vlog, y'all may see me still add those clips in, because right when I started adding those clips is when the camera settings got changed. So you may see me talking, but you're not gonna hear me because it was on a different setting. But I think I'm gonna add it just for the aesthetics. But when I first walked in, the very first thing I saw were these candles. And these candles were like $2.99 a piece. So that's what got my interest in the first place, because these are like the same size, if not a little bigger than like the Bath and Body Works single wick candles. This one is really giving me that replica vibe, like by the fireplace because of the picture on it. But I can't tell y'all the names of them because IKEA uses some weird names. But this candle is really giving me like fireside or fireplace vibes. It smells really good. It doesn't give you that smut smell, but it gives me like fire cracklings. I like that smell for whatever reason. The other one I got is supposed to be, I guess, like a milkish cream type of thing. So what this one reminds me of, yeah, there we go. What this one reminds me of is Killian Princess. Cause like Killian Princess has like that creamish marshmallow. It has that creamish marshmallow smell to it. And this is what this gives me. It just gives me creamy. It gives me milky. It smells really good. If they're good, I'll let y'all know. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram because I'm pretty sure I'll leave a review of these on either one of those platforms. Or I may just make a short of it. So just be on the lookout. $2.99. I got two more things that came from IKEA. The other thing that I got is this vase. So I thought this was a really cute vase. Like, it's no particular name for it. This is just, if it shows, this is the code for it. But it's no name for it. They're just vases. This was only like $5.99, which I think was a really good deal because, like I said, other vases that's looking like this is like $19 and up. But I got a vase. So the very last thing I got were two bookshelves. As y'all saw or will see throughout the video, I went to IKEA looking for bookshelves. And I stumbled across this bookshelf that was actually on clearance. Like, it was originally like, I think $40 or $50, if not more than that, and they were on sale for $24. So I got two of them because I've been on Pinterest lately and I'm trying to get my background to look like that. But it's a whole nother video that's going to be coming out with me putting this together and decorating it. So be on the lookout for that. But these are called the Lava bookcases. I'll pop a video up of what they're supposed to look like. But that's what it looks like. And they're actually still on clearance. They're on clearance for $24.99. So I got two of them. And that brings us to the end of this video, y'all. Like I said, this was the second time through this. But hopefully everything is cool now. We're going to see in a few minutes when I start editing again. But yeah, if y'all have recently made a trip to IKEA, let me know what y'all purchased or what y'all have y'all eyes on. Putting IKEA things together it's some work because they little instructions books don't be having no words to it. But anyway, let me know if y'all are some of the people that still shop at H&M, or tell me why you don't shop at H&M. Just let me know. Other than that, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and do me a favor and consider subscribing to the channel. It'll really help me out a lot. And yeah, we'll see y'all next time. Peace.